The sea mist is quite thick today, so we're
It's
not
an
going to see
Omnia
the sunshine. I'm going to try and do a recipe I saw
Karolina,
on an Insta.
I like it, heart
Hope
it.
I got your name correctly. Anyway, let's talk about the ingredients. So, we're going to need some grated mozzarella. I'm not tomato paste, and I'm not going to have any. And some flat
And
sort of. It's going to have a twist because I'm going to put a few olives in it. In between that, so I'm going to have a cup of tea, then I'm going to fire up the Omnia, and then let's see what happens. Had a quick look inside. I think I've overdone the cheese. I've got every implement you could imagine here to deal with that. Okay, moment of truth. Let's have a look.
Magnificent.
Well done.
Whatever your name.
Thank you.
I'm
sorry, but they absolutely smell and look fantastic. Bob off. Delicious. Thank you very much once again. You're wonderful.
Karolina.
You're a brilliant cook.